does driving passion come from? Is it something we're born with? A childhood memory? A favorite toy? Igniting the imagination, stirring the senses, awakening them. And as we grow, we learn the fundamentals and hone our skills, dedicating ourselves to driving. Ignited by those sparks, we opened up N's Way. We are sharpened in competition. We're not defying the norm. We're elevating it. We collaborate to strive for the high performance and everyday drivability. We engineered down to the last detail, to perfect cornering, to give it that something extra, that bang. Our relentless effort is decoded. This is what we share with the world today. Introducing the all-new ELANTRA N. The acceleration starts as soon as your foot touches the pedal. The air intake was restructured for a better flow of air into the engine, increasing the power while reducing the weight. The N power shift minimizes torque reduction when upshifting, and the acceleration continues. The class-leading braking performance is engineered with a 360mm brake rotors and high-friction brake pads. And even the dust cover was redesigned for maximum cooling. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires maximize the carving feel in every phase of cornering. The second-generation electronic controlled suspension offers a wide range of firmness settings. Firm lateral support connects the driver to the road. And more balanced damping offers the best ever comfortable ride for your family. The newly applied torque feedback RNDPS provides consistent and accurate steering. ELSD minimizes the understeer and guarantees the N's unique carving feel. Our mission is to transfer motorsports knowledge to production models. Originally developed for a WRC rally car, IDA's innovative one-piece structure withstands extreme lateral G-force and provides a responsive steering, all while reducing the weight. The chassis has been strengthened by reinforcing the powertrain mount, 4-point strut ring, V-stay, center tunnel stay, rear tunnel brace, and rear stiff bar. N-Track Sense Shift will automatically recognize when you're at the track and will select the optimal gear and execute the perfect shift. The revolutionary Hyundai N application saves and analyzes your speed, lap time, G-force, throttle, and brake pressure. You can even see how you stack up against other drivers. ELANTRA N stands lowest height in class, providing a low center of gravity. And that, along with a lowered seating position, connects you with the road in one of the most aerodynamic performances in its class. The 3-bridge spoiler increases the rear downforce. Take the wheel in the sport bucket seat or relax in the comfortable back seat. With the ELANTRA N, you get the best of both worlds, performance and practicality. The groundbreaking N sound equalizer allows you to customize the engine sound, because there's nothing like the sound of a little crackle that ignites your love of driving. This is the new N. For those who still remember that spark. Who come alive in every corner. And smile at the double curve sign. Fascination has arrived. We are bringing that pure grin. This is ELANTRA N.
Many people have actually asked me about what do we do about electrification in racing? What do you have in mind?
Everybody knows that electrification is key to success in the future to come. And by the way, this is our responsibility in our credo. We have electrification, we have hybrids, we have a lot of prototypes in the pipeline already. Please imagine for a moment, for the past 6 years, we have driven with internal combustion engine, and now it's time to get it changed.
Yeah, I think with eGMP, we have a very substantial platform to bring sustainable driving fun to our enthusiasts on the road and on the track. And I think after some N-specific treatments, it would be tons of fun to drive around Nordschleife with an N vehicle based on eGMP. And I can see many corners where, our combustion cars might have some trouble to follow our eGMP N car. So I'm looking forward to bring the corner rescue to our enthusiasts based on eGMP.
Can you imagine to fly through the green hell with this platform? And now we have to look for the right hat.
Maybe we make a bare bone. We just put a chair there and the steering wheel, and we don't put the upper body.
It's a good idea.
That's the point anyway. Which upper body should we take? I mean, we have choices, right?
Our N fans will be highly impressed, I believe.
Do you remember the sketches Sanjup showed us?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Very sexy.
So it's
Very nice looking.
It's definitely there, the potential to make a true N vehicle.
But should we only talk about battery?
Hydrogen, I guess, is also a very interesting thing to combine and to find the right idea in the future to come.
Maybe you remember our Mecha proto car with the fuel cell in the front and the high-power PE battery electric system in the rear. And with our modular fuel cell system,
Because then
we can make a nice package, I think.
What do we do in the 24 hours race? What about endurance?
Don't worry, Till. We have hydrogen technology, and I think the combination, hydrogen, battery electric, eGMP,
Oh, that's
that is a very sustainable, enjoyable N driving, even in endurance racing. Yeah. Let's go for it.
Way to go. Let's make it happen.